Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Edit's mask on main video track. To use this feature, you simply have to open Instagram Edits on your device. Then select any of the ongoing projects or just tap this plus icon to start new. Now, once you do so, all you have to do is first of all prepare your timeline. And what you can do is go ahead and tap on this overlay option, which you will find on the bottom navigation bar. Go ahead and click on it, then select one from the gallery or just select any reel. Now once you select that video, go ahead and tap on this tick mark. And once the video has been added to your timeline, what you can do is to get the animation feature, you can simply select this overlaid video, and from here you should be able to find another option called mask. Go ahead and tap on it, then select this split option. Now as you can see, you can select between different shapes over here. I'll be selecting split. Now what you can do is use this keyframe tool by tapping once on it before the video starts and right before the video ends. Now I'll be adding another keyframe over here, and what you can do is use this keyframe tool to slide or drag this slider, and once you're done, you can see the animation has been applied on the video. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.